Hi friends, today we'll be taking a topic on the TV unit, and purposely I am taking this topic on a TV unit is because a lot of time happens like you have a switchboard down and the TV up, and generally wires hangs from a TV to a socket. So I'll be taking a topic in this. There will be, you won't be seeing any wire coming out or popping out from anywhere, and it will be very neat detail, so that you just switch on a TV, and the TV will be on, and but you won't be seeing any wire outside the TV or outside the socket or near the socket. I'll be showing you some live example also, and I'll be making one sketch. In that I'll explain you in detail how it can be done. So first thing, in TV unit there are three portions. Like in TV unit there should be a three portions. First should be one socket should be behind a TV, and there should be in center of the TV and a unit there should be one provision of switches and the sockets. So the socket should be somewhere, TV socket should be somewhere at the eye level, or wherever you are sitting. If it is at sofa, then it should come around 1 meter, and if you are sitting in a boardroom or conference room, it should be at 1.5 meter. And this we have made a provision of TV mounting socket. In this there will be one socket, and we have given two HDMI cord, so that one goes, if one fails then you will have a second HDMI cord. And both HDMI cord is useful for doing video conferencing. If you can attach one HDMI cord in your laptop, and you can have visuals on the screen on the TV unit. So this is one portion. Then here we'll be giving socket and switches, so that once you switch on from here, your TV is on, and there you won't see any wire hanging in between the TV and sockets. So come friends, I'll draw one sketch and I'll show you how it can be done. So just imagine this is the wall of your TV, and here this is ground level, and this is your finished false ceiling level. Now generally, if this I will be taking you through, this will be for a living room or residential apartment. So generally there we give a TV unit with, this is a basic detail, with 3 drawers. This drawer should have a glass opening. This will has a glass opening. Means whenever you are using remote, the IR receiver should have access. The radiation should go inside, and the TV can be it can be accessed from here. So your set-top box will be inside this. And plus here, if you are taking your TV somewhere here at this level, this height ideally it should be 900 mm, and this should be 600 mm. You can leave 150 mm from down, and this you can take 450 mm. Then your switches can come here. The switch plate can come here, and 2 sockets for charging or something you can give. This is just an extra provision. These switches will be coming here. Then first most important thing is one, there will be 3 switches in 3 sockets inside. So I'll be blowing up this socket detail. So there will be 3 sockets here, 1, 2, and this is third. So one will be for set-top box, then this one will be for DVD or your music system. And this can be utilized for gaming purpose. Gaming or Xbox, you can use this socket. So these are 3 sockets, but these 3 sockets will have switches here. What you can do, you can utilize this 2 socket with one switch. One switch will come here. Then this is the second for the gaming box, and this 2 switches, one switch, this switch will be used in between these 2 sockets, and this switch will be useful for your TV socket. So this switch will be used for TV socket. And one more important thing, this I have shown you how the socketing and the switches can be made, but first most important thing is you will have to leave one trunking. It will run inside your wall. This will be aluminum box section. You can take any gauge, it's fine. This can be like 30 mm by 100 or 75 mm. Only thing is your HDMI cord from here should be able to go here. That's it. So that once HDMI cord or any cabling in future, if you are using any kind of instrument, you can easily keep those instrument here, and that instrument can be accessed with a wire connected to a TV.